Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Heroine of the Black Moonlight Always Want to Mark Me, chapter 39. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, for Guyu, she's been hurt. Well, she's not expecting that her father will do this to her. At this moment, we can see that she was really in pain, but Sue, her body, it's really shaking. The young lady's back injury has been treated. The doctor said that the dentures and bones were injured and she will need a restaurant. Well, we can really wait to see what's gonna happen. Sue said how long it will take to wake up. It should be tomorrow morning. The medicine prescribed by the doctor has fallen her to sleep. Well, I didn't control my pheromones well just now. Please don't tell anyone that I'm Alpha, Sue said to the old lady. We can really see that she can easily install those. Well, it turns out the man, he was really tricky and also. Don't worry, I know nothing and won't say anything. Well, the old lady said, Miss, does she know? Well, it seems that she was asking, but this is not a perfect time because it might really going to bother a train. Now, I don't know how to bring it up with her, since Sue, it seems that she's being confused. Now I don't know how to bring it up with her. The young lady has done many things wrong, things in the past. I hope you won't blame her. 100%. It was really new to her wallet. Well, we can really wait to see what's gonna happen, right? Now, it makes sense. The old lady, she was trying to get and build also for the soul velvet. This really crooked, right? They really don't know and know where to find. Well, we can really wait to see what's gonna happen next. Now that Miss has changed, I don't know what a secret you're holding. I only beg you not to hurt no one. Well, it seems that over the years all thoughts about Menching and also the inquest being immature at this moment we can really see that now it really makes sense. I never imagined that the pain she was enduring was something I had unintentionally caused. Well, at this moment she got really worried about her. You finally she's been awakened and she is humming, probably still she is really tired about this, but let's hope that she can really do things like this. Well, let's see. Don't move. You have a back injury. Sue said, don't move. You have a back injury. Just lie down. So it turns out she really wanted to treat her with the medicine itself. But can I have my phone? I need to ask Director Shen for leave. Now, can I have my phone? At least she need to ask Director for the favor. But all the kittens, they're real small and probably won't really survive on this. Don't do such a crazy things again. He didn't mean to do anything to me. Well, so provoke him? Is that really? It seems that she's really persistent about this. Well, let's hope we can really drink or eat some wine things in here. Now, it makes sense. All she can think is her face. Sue. Well, you don't want me to get hurt, but it hurts me to see you hurt too. Well, these two, they're really good to each other, especially look at her. Now, it makes sense. She looks really happy about this. She's really looking good also. She's pretty all the time. Well, let's solve. Everything will be better. Well, you look terrible. Didn't you sleep last night? did I take your vet? Please help me back in the vet. And the aunt will came. Also, it needs to be taken care of. Just stop changing the subject. Stay here. Relax. I keep an eye on you. Well, I call, and she's really feeling stressed, but also more at ease. Now, everything seems to be well. Would you like to come up and rest for a while? The vet is big enough. Well, Sue, she's not declining this, but also she's really happy. Now, look at her. She was staring at her hands and said, "This what is said." Well, we can really wait to see that this girl, she's really doing anything just to be evil. Everything. Well, I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. Well, tonight, it must feel crazy, but the thing, everything seems to be went well. Now, looking at this girl, she becomes silent. Could it be that she was really talking about this? Well, we can really wait to see what's gonna happen, right? Well, when she came back, she can see that she was taking it on the shower. Well, this time, she was really feeling not good. That's why she gave those things from me. I can shower and change clothes by myself now, and it really doesn't matter, or it really doesn't hurt anymore. Well, we can really see what's gonna happen. As of now, you can search, and also the food good. Now, looking at this two, they're really singing into it. Well, you sit down on the other spot, and also she need to wash. Well, when she was thinking about it, of course, she really misses so much. Now, it really makes sense. At stake. Well, do you think it was really getting older? Now, it really makes sense. Let's see what's gonna happen next. The story, it's really getting better. Well, let's solve. Everything will be fine. On the next episode, that we can see that Kuyo is already healed and also recovered. Well, let's hope there's no more trouble for her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership, or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.